The Sony 24-70 GM II. Just a mid-range lens? Maybe, but let me show you why I like this lens so much. I've taken many spectacular photos with this lens over the years, and sure, it's very sharp, but it has so many more things to it. Did you know that this lens can focus very close? You can almost take macro-like shots with it. Especially with Sony's high megapixel cameras, the details in these close-ups are really incredible. And of course the bokeh is very soft. This is what the GM lenses are known for, but just look at the sharpness wide open at f2.8. It's very sharp. And did you know that the focus breathing amount of this lens is very low? That's a great feature for video, but also photography, especially for focus stacking that I often use in my landscape photography. Then of course this lens is great in low light. I've used it in many different low light conditions, Milky Way shooting, but also in the city. Low light capabilities of this lens are really good. And last but not least, I have used this lens in so many harsh weather conditions. Strong rain, wind, snowstorms, everything, and I never had any issue with the performance. For me, this is not just a mid-range lens. This is the ultimate tool to get the wide variety of shots that I love to take so much.